So now what Kevin's doing is using some channel locks. He is taking that cap off. And these are not a perfect fit, at least with these chair legs. So go ahead, Kev. We center it on there, and then just using a hammer, pound it into place. So actually you're forcing that white plastic piece in the middle up into the chair leg. And they hold. The gray swivels, still swivels, but this is firmly in there. So now he'll take this one off. Again, you do want to take those caps off because otherwise you won't get a good surface to pound that down in. Center it up. Just pound it on. Again, this is a little bit of a retrofit because the walkers, you're supposed to just clip them in, but you can see a little piece of plastic came out. That's okay, because what we're doing is we're forcing it into
that's not coming back
plastic gasket that's in the center. And so now our chair has these nice pads. They slide beautifully. Even when you're sitting on them, they slide beautifully on the patio mat. And they look great. And it did not impinge at all on the folding up of the chair. So that's our little quick fix for today. Hope that helps you. Again, here they are.
Approved.
And it's Cavi approved. It's Cavi approved. There's Nutmeg. Hi, Nutmeg. Hi, sweetheart. And there again is the name of that set. And to learn more, there you are. Okay, have a great day from the Pewter Pals, Kevin and Louise Sherman. Please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. We appreciate it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.